soldier, choosing your battles. Pick yourself up and dust yourself off, get back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's on, we're getting closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on, you feel.
Here we have with us Joe Boy, one of the proud Sholim Club owners, who's one of the organizers for today. Joe Boy, could you tell us something about this tournament today?
Yes, thank you very much. In fact, this is the second edition of like Sholkas getting together, and I think it's a good opportunity for Sholkar also. Like we're having this tournament for second year, and it's you can say it's a good success. Would give a message to all the Sholkas. Like in future, we will have more tournaments with all our Sholkas together, and hope all the Sholkas will come together and support us.